Hey guys, before you go purchase a lot, get somebody to go out there and look at that thing with you. Let's do it. All right, guys, this is me again, Emmett Stallworth, your Alpha Builder. And this is a lot here that we went out, I kind of went out and looked at today. And guys, let me just say this right here. Let me just, I had to, I had to go big screen here, guys. Guys, if you go into a subdivision, and that subdivision is, let's just say the houses are 20 years old, okay? If the houses are 20 years old, and the houses are, I'm here in Alabama, so our market is a little bit different here. If you're in Alabama, you got a $500,000 house, that's probably equivalent to $1 million house in California. But guys, if you got a $500,000 house in those neighborhoods, in that particular neighborhood, the houses are ranging from, maybe 475 to 550. And you in that neighborhood that has been there for about 20 years, so it has a little history, and you go through that neighborhood and you see one or two lots that no one has built on. No builder has gobbled that up and actually started building on it. Chances are, if no builder have gotten that lot within 20 years, it's probably a dog lot, okay? So, and what I mean by dog lot, that means, to be honest with you guys, you can build on anything. I can, you give me a set of plans, we can build on anything. Problem is, how much you want to spend to build on it. And that number always, you don't want to, you don't want to give a contractor a blank check and let them try to figure out what it's going to cost to build on a particular lot. And so when you run into a situation like that, if you see a lot that's been in an older neighborhood for an extensive period of time, chances are there's a reason why those builders looked over that lot. So now in a neighborhood where you got maybe $500,000 houses, the lots in those neighborhoods are ranging from about $65,000 to $75,000 a piece. So if somebody offer you, or somebody make an offer, or you make an offer, and you go into a deal with somebody in that same neighborhood where you end up paying $20,000 for a lot, I can guarantee you there's more problems on that particular lot. Now in this case right here, you can kind of see this. Let me see if I got it right here. This is a lot that I was looking at, I went and looked at it today. The big red flag you'll see right there is somebody got some rocks stacked up right here, and they got a French drain going right in the middle of that. This is the lot right here. So these are the foundation, this right here is probably the property lines right here. And this is the front, this is where the road is. You can see my little Prius up there. So if you drive down this way, you can see somebody put a French drain to absorb water on this lot, for whatever reason. And it dumps it in here, but when you see stuff like this right here, it's probably a problem. And I speculate that there's an underground spring that runs underground. You can kind of look at it. Let me see if I can get it going here. You can kind of look at it here.
And it looked like we just caught it after the rain, didn't it? When did it rain? It rained the other day. Yeah, see, this whole subdivision is still draining. And like I said, somebody put this French drain here. They already knew this. They already knew this right here was going on because they put a French drain here. You see what I'm saying? And this right here,
look at that right there, guys. Water's just coming from the ground. I mean, the lot itself, if it wasn't for this, the lot itself actually is a good daylight basement lot. But look at that water. It's actually coming right out of the ground right here. Over on both sides, three or four drains.
This water, man, you got an underground spring on this lot. It's going straight through that lot, too, man. It's going straight through this lot.
This is not, by the way, this is not good, because what's going to happen is The inspectors are gonna make you well if you got a good inspection, and I'm gonna reach out to the inspector in that municipality and see if they had any issues over there, because it may not be what I'm thinking it is. But first thing they're gonna do is you got to build on undisturbed soil. So you got to get a probe. They got these little probes where you push through the ground, and if you keep pushing down, you got to keep digging. The problem is you don't want to have a situation where you dig 20 feet just to get undisturbed soil. You know, that's that kind of problem.
Stuff come out the ground.
Look at that. It's not even coming out of the pipe.
Good clean water, though.
It do look good though. I mean, man, that's probably the best water you're gonna get too, man, because it's being purified, being filtered and purified, man. Just
If I had a
Look at that. That's going straight through the lot.
look how clear it is.
put me a whiskey still out here and pump it out.
Yeah,
and
man, that stuff
whiskey
coming
out
straight
of
up
it.
out the ground right there. It's coming out the ground. Because she's still gonna have a pond in her backyard. Now you could probably
Well, see, that's what we was gonna do here.
You can probably take that and put a little swell right
pond
there.
in.
Swell right
Well, you can take a swell. You can dig a hole right here. Put a swell here. Or you can put a swell over there and let it run on down, and that'll be good. But the problem is, she catching all this water in this subdivision right here,
Right.
and it's coming straight through this lot. Let's see what's going on up on this other lot.
Yeah. So, guys, man, be careful. Let me see if I got another. Be careful with these lots, man. I tell
Man,
you.
no, like this right here, fall don't look bad.
Yeah, because it goes slope and then it drops.
And
But
this
you
is-
gotta dig that out anyway.
This is ideal right here for a daylight basement. Daylight basement too, man. So
Put
that's even
windows
better.
in it.
Yeah, man. You look like you're on the main level, looking out back. You know.
Mm-hmm.
But man, this right here kills it all right there.
And that's what I told her. I said, your back gonna be open. I said,
Oh, yeah.
your main level. I said,
Okay, that's enough of that, guys. Just gonna get right here. But guys, you know, moving forward, you know, if you guys are out here, you know, building, or you out here, if you're a homeowner and you want to, if you see a lot that you like, probably have good school systems, etc. You know, get a professional. You know, it doesn't have to be a home builder. It could be you know, you got engineers out there that kind of have an idea of the land. Surveyors, maybe they can probably look at the plat and figure out, you know, where there's a drainage up on the ground or something. I don't know. There are other people that can go out there and do that. They can look at that, not just the builder. And then, hey, guys, be willing to pay those builders. You know, you don't want the builder. I get a lot of people just, you know, freeing. Hey, man, just go over there and look. I'm just supposed to go do it for free. That's the mindset, you know. But get professionals to get out there and take a look at these lots, man. And I can assure you guys, if you're in a situation where the subdivision has been there for several years, 20 plus years, 10, 20 years, or heck, even 5 years, and there's a lot that's just kind of sitting out there, you know, scattered lot just sitting out somewhere, and no one has even attempted to build on, well, that's probably a problem. Okay, there's probably a problem. So guys, be careful with that. Let me know what you guys think. And once again, guys, like, share, subscribe. Actually, the channel is actually growing a little, you know, it's getting a little traction, man. So I appreciate you guys coming on and checking these things out. And I'll try to put out more videos for, and this, like I said, this particular site is for people who, you know, homeowners, that's one, but mainly for builders who want to understand the industry, man, and try to get better at what they do. You guys have a good one.